Welcome to another episode of Ghana Fan Tube. So today, I just want to give some shout out to some of my subscribers. Derek, if you're watching, thank you so much. You're one of the subscribers that always comments, and I really appreciate you. So today, this week actually, I've been working on the content. I mean, the day in life. It's really difficult because I need to arrange the videos. So today I'm just going to the shop to get some stuff. So I thought the weather is not brilliant, so I just thought I'd take you guys with me. So let's roll. So I'm changing the seat to my settings because I use the car with my wife. So I have to make sure the seats change properly to my settings. I'm just going to open the roof to get some sunlight in the car. I hope you guys are doing all right. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to this amazing channel. Let's grow as a virtual family together. You know, my goal is to hit 1 million one day. You know, I know you guys probably thinking I'm crazy, but I'm not. You know, you just have to work towards your dreams and you get there. Right, so let's go. Let's drive. So at the moment I'm just driving around the neighborhood. You know, I just thought while the weather is not good, I just talked to you guys as my subscribers. So the question I want to ask you, is there anything particular you want to see on the channel that I haven't probably worked on yet? So you can probably let me know in a comment below so that I can work on the content for you. Today is Monday and the time is 12:15 in the morning. So 12:15 in the morning. Yeah, so it's midday. It's midday. Oh, so the roads are very, very small, so I have to drive very carefully. At the same time, you know, be cautious of what's around me. Thank you. So I'm going to Waitrose. So Waitrose in the UK is regarded as one of the luxury supermarkets. It's not like I'm going there because I'm rich. I'm going there just because I need something that I can't get in any other shop, and I thought while I'm going there I can show you guys their coffee shops. They have a very beautiful coffee shop, so let's see if we can get some footage of their beautiful coffee shop. It's very busy this morning. Alright, so where I am currently is Poshest. Poshest is a suburb of Bristol. Just about a few minutes outside Bristol. You can get here using X4 or X3. And I believe you can also get here by X5. X5 take you straight to Western Superman. And if you haven't watched my Western Superman videos, please do go watch the videos after this one. And also please do me a little favor, do subscribe, like the video, and also share the video. And finally, turn the notification button on so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first person to be notified by YouTube. Right, and another thing I want to ask you, where you're watching this video from, please do let me know on the comment section. And also, if you're watching this video on a TV, please do pick your phone and search for Ghana Fan Tube and then subscribe, because when you're watching the TV, maybe you haven't signed in, so you won't be able to subscribe to the channel. So if you're watching on a TV, please do pick your phone, search for Ghana Fan Tube. You see a lot of videos, and then click on the Ghana Fan Tube and then subscribe. Right? Thank you. Right, so now let's get focused. And you know, just to let you know, I'm going to Waitrose. Hopefully I can get the salad dressing that I'm going for. It's not it's a very specific one. Probably I'll show you while I'm having coffee in Waitrose. So let's go. And also, if you're doing well, if you receive your vaccine, or if you're protecting yourself, please do let me know in the comment section. You can also go to my community tab and also let me know how you're doing today, if you have any plans, or if there's anything that you'd like me to do, or if there's a content that you'd like me to create, or something that you want to see me work on. Please do let me know in the comment section. You know, the strange thing is, it's supposed to be a summer, but look at the weather. The weather is horrible. I can't wait to travel to Ghana, you know, to have some tan. I miss Ghana so much. Thank you very much. Actually, I'll probably use that side. Right, so now we're almost in Waitrose. Let's go shopping and probably having a coffee. Right, I'm just standing in Waitrose car park. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Right, so now we're in the Waitrose car park now. I need to find somewhere nice to park because this car is huge. If you want to know what I'm driving, please do let me know in the comment section. I'm happy to let you know what car I'm shooting in today. Alright, so let's see. Park, very nice. Okay, easy as ABC. I'll put a sensor on. Here's the coffee I ordered today. Let me bend the camera so I can see this beautiful looking coffee. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, so the coffee cost me actually how much? Cost me £2.50. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so let's enjoy this beautiful coffee. It's quite a nice place. Let me pan the camera a little bit for you to see how beautiful this place looks like. So if you're in the UK and you just in a shop, you need somewhere to relax a bit while you're shopping, Waitrose is pretty amazing. It's quite beautiful place. This one is located in Poshest, but I believe most of their shops look like this. So let me enjoy my coffee. Oh my god, that's divine. That's a nice coffee. While I'm here, I was just going through my YouTube channel. I just want to show you guys something, and it tastes pretty amazing. I just want to take this moment to thank you as you, my subscribers, because you've been doing a good job. So I was just on my YouTube page actually, so we hit this number. I don't know if you can see it. It's 1,100. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty amazing. So please do share the news. Tell everyone, tell a friend, tell a partner, tell a family member, tell mom, tell dad to watch this channel, and also tell all your friends and families, your work colleagues to subscribe to this amazing channel. So let's continue having this amazing latte. I don't know what the latte is. I think it's a lot of coffee and a lot of milk. If I'm wrong, please do let me know in the comment below. I love coffee, but most of my coffee is just black coffee, so I don't know what latte is. So if you're a latte drinker, please do let me know in the comment section. Yeah, let's continue showing you this Waitrose experience. It's something that I just want to show you guys what the experience is like. You drive your big car, you park outside, and you shop, and you relax, and then you drink coffee. So that's what I'm just doing today, because I watched a BBC documentary about what a Waitrose shop is like. So I'm trying to experience that to see if it's actually feel like a very posh shopping experience. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. So coffee is done now, so now let's continue the second part of the video, so that we can probably get into the car and then start some editing. All right. Yeah, so I just finished shopping. Hopefully we can get home and probably start editing this amazing video. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe to the channel, and also like and share the video, and also turn the notification button on, so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first person to be notified by YouTube. Right, so shopping is done now, so I just need to get home, get some work done. Hopefully I'll publish this video. If you do enjoy the video, if you do enjoy the Waitrose experience, please do let me know in the comment section what you like to see next in my next video. And also please do share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you very much. Another episode just ended like that. Don't forget to subscribe now. Right, thank you.